Hello everyone and welcome to CodeHunger, and today we will learn about how we can integrate Paytm payment gateway in Laravel 8. So to integrate Paytm payment gateway, I will follow my blog. Whatever the steps are written here, I will do the same. I will suggest you to watch the video till the end so that you can see each and every steps and you will not do mistakes while your integration. Okay, so let's start the video. So the very first thing is to create an account on Paytm and get the developer key. To get the developer key, you have to create an account on the developer Paytm, right? So I have to log in here. Log in again. If you don't have an account, you will create right from here. Okay, now I am signed in. So now I have signed in to my account. Just turn on your test data and go to developer settings, click on APIs key. So here the API details are here. We will use it later. So now proceed to the next step. Install the Laravel 8 project. If you have already installed the project, then it's good. We will move to the next part. Now second part is install Paytm package. I already have installed the Laravel 8 as well as the Paytm package. To install the Laravel 8 package, just run this command, and to install the Paytm package, run this command. Okay. Now let's move to the step 3. In the step 3, we have to add an aliases in the array. What we have to add? We have to add the Paytm wallet under our app configuration file. So go to your VS Code, just type control P app.php. This file is under your config folder and just add at the last. Okay. Now let's move toward the next step. Next step is to set the Env variables. So you have to go to .env, right? And just here, as like I have put it the Paytm's credential, you have to do the same thing. Now I am going to my next step. The next step is to go to config under the services.php folder and add this code. So services.php under config folder and put it here. Now there is a small change in the package with the compatibility, right? So we have what I have to do. We have to go config/session.php and set same site as null. You have to go to the session.php and make it null, right? Currently it is lax. Now we will create a controller. So just copy the code and put it in your terminal. Press enter. This code will create a controller under your app HTTP folder. Under your app HTTP and under the controllers, you can see here Paytm controller. Okay. Now we have to add the routes. So the first thing is we have to go to web.php and on the top we have to add this thing, namespace. I have already added that. Okay. Now moving to the next step, just copy these 3 routes and add it in your web.php file. As like I am doing in my code, you have to do the same. Now next go to the HTTP middleware and add this app HTTP middleware. And there is one thing that the verify CSRF token and add here, right? I have added this Paytm callback here because what happened, it will not verify CSRF token because when we call back, because it is our callback URL, once the payment has been done, it will hit this URL to get to information the payment is done or not done or what happening there. So this route, or you can say your this URL not be CSRF protected. Now we will add the controller code. So just copy all the code given here and put it in your Paytm controller. Okay, Paytm controller or PHP, paste it here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will go to add one view file. What I have to do, we will create a 3 blade file right under your resources view. So first we will create a folder name as Paytm, and inside the Paytm we will create 3 blade files. So I am going to resources view and the Paytm, right? Paytm folder is created. We will create one page new file as Paytm payment.blade.php. Copy the file name, new file. Okay, and add this code inside that folder. Now second step is Paytm success.blade.php. Create another blade file. As I have told you, we will create 3 blade file inside this folder. As the name suggests, Paytm success, when the payment has been successfully done, it will redirect to this page. And the last one is the Paytm fail blade.php, right? When the payment fail, it will redirect us to this page. Okay, now it's time to test the integration. So just visit the URL. Okay, keep in mind one thing, that you have to change the Laravel demo with your project folder name. My project folder name is a Laravel demo. So here is the things have been come. Now what I am going to do, just I am going to make a payment of, let's say 15 rupees. Choosing the credit card option, enter the test card number, month, CVV, and pay 15 rupees. Click on successful. Now you can see the payment has been successfully received. Now let's go to the developer account and we will check that payment is received or not. Click on transaction. So here you can see payment 1 has been received. Okay, and the other thing, if you want to test this thing, you can also test this thing directly from here also, right? So I thought you like the thing, you like the way I have guided you. But if you have any issue in the integration, just please mail us on the support@codehunger.in. On the other thing, please subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with the friends. Thank you.